Hi, this is Shiroz from FastTech. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a power supply on a PS4 model CUH-1215. I had a unit come in recently in the mail, so I figured this would be a good opportunity to show you guys how to do it yourself. If you guys want to buy the parts that are needed for this job, the link's in the description below. So let's start. So this customer here ordered a box from our website. Then we sent him a box, and he sent us his PS4 back for repairs. You can order a shipping box from our website if you do not feel comfortable doing this repair on your own. Yeah, there is that option. Okay, just move this to the side here. Okay. So here we have a PS4. It's one of the newer models, the last gen model of the older units. It's a model CUH-1215A. So these models use a power supply by the model of ADP-200ER. And so we're going to start, well, we're going to test the unit, which is the first thing we do when it comes in. It's very important. And as you can see here, I've plugged it in, and there's no power. There's no beep. It does not come on. And 99% of the times, this is because of a dead power supply. So we're going to start taking the system apart. We only need to take the bottom piece off this because we're not getting to the motherboard. So we only need to take the lower half off the case. This particular model, a 1215A, only has 2 screws at the back, and then there's these clips on the sides here that hold the plastic in place, the plastic frame in place, rather. And so we only need to remove one of these stickers over here, only the one at the bottom, and then we're going to pry the clips off. So we start by removing the sticker very carefully. Remove the sticker back. Comes off. Okay, so the sticker is off. I'm going to put that on the side. And then we just take the bottom screw out, the bottom Torx screw. I'm going to get Carla to come a little bit closer for this one, and we can show them. We only need to remove this bottom screw here. So we take that out. Like so. And then on the sides here, we should have these clips that you can disengage by using a thin razor blade or a knife. You just push them out like that. Bottom piece comes off like so. Okay, so inside the console we have the disk drive here, the power supply, and the fan. Power supply is what we're taking out. We're going to need a Torx T8H. It's basically a Torx T8 with a security bit on it. And we're going to need a standard Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to take the Phillips screws out and remove the grounding shield off the power supply. Like that. Put that on the side. And we're going to remove the 3 Torx screws. And we're going to remove the cable here on the side. Like that. Make sure you remove the cable first before you try to take the power supply out, because otherwise you can rip the cable off the motherboard, and that's not good. It's not an easy repair. Okay, so you can pry the power supply out by prying the right side and then lifting the left side at the same time. And then lift the power supply out like so, and then put it on the side over here. Okay, so there we have the new power supply. And the power supplies that we sell on our website, they all have this warranty sticker on them. So basically, if you're buying it from us, make sure you don't remove the warranty sticker, or you will lose your warranty with us. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start installing this into our client's PS4. So what you want to do is you want to line up the prongs with the ports in the power supply. And there's negative and a positive. So what you do is you just line it up like so, and you push it down on the right side. Make sure those pins go in, and then you plug in this 4-pin connector on the right side here, and then we're gonna put the screws back in with Phillips. And the torx screws. Now the new power supply is installed. Now all we have to do is put the case back on, and to do that we're going to put the front side in first, where the eject button is. So the front side sits in first, like so. And you just got to angle it and then push the back in, just like that. It's just that easy. And the clips, you should hear the clips engage, and then you just put the torque screw back in, and we're pretty much done. And the screwdriver's seen better days. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go, we're done. We're done, that's it. It's that easy. It shouldn't take you more than 10-15 minutes, even if you have very limited tech experience. And now I'm going to plug it in to show you guys that it works. And there you have it. It looks like it works now. So it's that easy. I'm going to put the links in the description below for this part and all the other parts that we sell too. There's a whole variety of parts that we sell on our website, including Xbox Ones, PS4s. We recently started stocking iPhone parts. So if you need any of those supplies, do check us out.